Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2006 H2. Hummer H2 performance optimizing engine technologies such as variable valve timing and the 6 speeds wide gear ratios, including all overdrive gear, enable the performance and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, heated front seats, security system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.